Hello. We continue our lessons on the ATK 1211 item set. Now though. Trimming, automatic trimming. We have the Veltbeck doors command, belongs to this command. We have 5 options. We will see these. Veltbeck 4 commands. Position combination term Beck just below 4. As you can see here is Veltbeck doors. Intersecvec 4s. Subtrekvec 4s. Termvec 4s. And 5 types of exploits, 4. And above these, 4. Here is Morchvec 4s. We can reach you under the name. Here now. I select 2 shapes that intersect each other. The area between 2 shapes. To trim. Veltbeck doors over there. I choose the command. And the shape is not disconnected but, as united. The area between has been cleared. Again I choose 2 shapes. Let the intersecting region between. I want you to clean the outside. That is, the intersecvec 4. I choose. Other than that, I chose the shape again. Here's Saprekvec 4s. So first chosen. 2. According to chosen. Termlength means K. So this way. If you select this one. 2, if I had chosen this. Likewise. I'm bossing the chip. Likewise. 1, the selected sapit will remain. 2. According to chosen. Would have been trimmed. If here. Both of them are vector. So both. 1, as given. Being trimmed. Both. 1, as given. Has been trimmed. Finally. Xplot vector exists. If Xplot vector. It'll blow up all the intersecting notes. All as vectors separately. As an open vector to us. Will give us. Clearly. Will give here. Both of them are scratching and exploding. Meaning all. Into separate pieces. It's okay. Det vectors. With commands.